Happy President's Day, everyone, and thanks for checking in to WeatherBug. Todd Nelson with a look at that national coast-to-coast forecast. A much warmer week ahead, kind of a snowy start to our week here on President's Day, and then maybe some thunder developing on Thursday. But let's take you out to Massachusetts, where we had some very heavy snowfall over the course of the weekend. And look at that, everything coated in white here. Some of the reports coming out of Massachusetts. Sandwich up to 15. And Duxbury at 10.3. Now, some of those reports of snow in Maine, upwards of 20 inches in Princeton. Southwest Harbor, 17.7. Harrington sitting at 17 as well. That storm system is long gone, heading up into the Canadian Maritimes, but our secondary system now in the Midwest for the early morning hours, kind of roughing up that commute. Now, winter storm warnings posted from Minneapolis to Duluth down to Madison, Milwaukee, and Chicago. Within the warned area here, we could have 4 to 8 inches with isolated higher amounts than the advised areas 3 to 6. And then even some freezing precipitation earlier out near St. Louis. And then some winter weather headlines in the northwest as well. And we'll get to that in just a second. But our forecast takes that system into the Great Lakes region and the northern Ohio Valley by tonight, by tomorrow morning, sitting out near some of those major hubs. That could be slowing down that morning commute at some of the airports on Tuesday. But the rainfall continues in the high elevation out in the northwest. And then meanwhile, a system developing on Thursday could bring about some more active weather to the midsection of the nation by Thursday. Precipitation amounts could be quite heavy in the Gulf of Mexico states there as well. And also to the northwest, talking about 5 inches total liquid precip over the next 5 days, but 10 to 20 inches of snow possible in those northern Cascades. The upper level winds are still situated up to our north, and that means temperatures are going to be on the mild side and continuing to warm here through the week. Enjoy.